Have you ever thought about adding a floral touch to your meals? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the world of flower-based recipes. Hi there, I'm Rosie, your guide through the enchanting world of flowers here at 416 Flowers. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. We're all about spreading love, one flower at a time, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. Now let's talk about edible flowers. Yes, you heard it right. Flowers aren't just for bouquets and decorations. Some of them can actually make your meals more vibrant and flavorful. From salads to desserts, flowers can add a unique twist to your dishes. Take roses, for example. They're not just a symbol of love, but they can also be a delightful addition to your kitchen. Rose petals can be used to make a fragrant, sweet syrup that's perfect for drizzling over pancakes or mixing into cocktails. And then there are pansies. These vibrant flowers are not only beautiful, but also have a slightly sweet, grassy flavor. They're perfect for garnishing salads or decorating cakes. But remember, not all flowers are edible. It's important to do your research and make sure the flowers you're using are safe to eat. Now, if you're feeling inspired to add a floral touch to your meals, why not start with a fresh bouquet from 416 Flowers? We offer fast same-day delivery options, delivery 7 days a week, and the best prices in the greater Toronto area. So the next time you're thinking of sending flowers, why not order from us? Visit 416flowers.com and place your order today. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And remember, at 416 Flowers, we're all about spreading love, one flower at a time. Until next time, keep blooming.